What is your name?
No, what is not my name?
Excuse me, it's a question. What is your name?
I told you what is not my name. My name is Bablu. Don't call me what.
What is your age?
What is not my age?
I mean, how old are you?
I am not old. I am young.
Okay, tell me who is your father?
Who is not my father? Who is not my father?
Who is your father?
Who is not my father? My father is not who. Okay, you poor English.
Okay, tell me what is your favorite subject?
What is not my favorite subject? What is not my favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What is not? Okay?
What?